If you need a baby gate for the top or the bottom of your stairs with round banisters, most standard gates just won't fit without damaging your woodwork. This Miumoon gate comes with dedicated Y spindle adapters and flat sides that work on this type of situation. It also comes with all of the hardware that you need, where you can either do flat or Y spindle on both sides. So you have the options of doing all flat, all Y, or all combination of these two different types of common wall surfaces and spindle surfaces, and it comes with all the hardware that you need. In addition to this, it promises a dual locking auto closing mechanism that stays open at 90 degrees and very good instructions that explains all of this. It has a lot of detail about how this all works, and it gives you the information. Now, the opening fits from 29.7 inches to 46 inches using included extensions, and the gate height is 30.5. It also has different pieces of extra gates should you need to fill a gap. They're pressure mounted, no drilling required for standard flat walls. The star feature is this Y mechanism. It will enable your gate side to fit on banisters or spindles. I have both in my house, and it also comes with this extra piece should you have a transom where you need that support in place. Here is an extra piece that comes with the gate should you have a wider section that you need to fill. These extensions fit right into the gate modules, making it very easy to fill the gap for your exact space. The included Y spindle rods save buyers from having to buy separate adapter kits, and it's important to note that it will fit on a metal spindle as well as a wide wooden banister. Let me show you a side view of that so you'll see the Y shape, how it fits on that metal spindle. It's just perfect. I don't have to change my stairs to enable a safety gate that works for my home. And the width of this Y allows it to fit on any width. What I really like is the height of this gate is 30.5 inches, and it allows me to be able to climb over if I need to without my other small children being able to get over this, which is very important. And that solid pressure mount stays firm once it's properly tensioned without slipping on wall surfaces. It also has an auto close convenience, a hands-free closing that works smoothly when walking through the gate with your arms full. Now, this works on walls, not just on stairs, and it also enables older children to be able to get through without a baby or a toddler coming through. It's a one-handed operation and easily to go up and down stairs or just through hallway passages where you might need to manage your kids and dogs going through and from. Now, this easy to open system here also will allow it to swing closed if you forget to shut it, which is a great feature. Of course, you always want to double check it, but it does close itself if it's set up properly. That auto close feature opens if it's open less than 90 degrees, and it swings shut behind you. The handle on top uses a thumb slide double lock system so toddlers can't easily slide and lift it. Overall, I think this is a really great baby gate and solves a lot of problems. I highly recommend this baby gate, and I think that you will like it too. Please like and follow us for more for this great baby gate and others like this.